Okay, we're heading back down from the top in the gondola here. So, nice clear windows in this one. So, I'll have to put the name of the mountain in the gondola later. I forget what it is, so I have the ticket stub, which I can put in a little window here. Maybe I'll tell you what it is. I can only do so much, you know. Can't take care of everything. Remember, I'm only one man. I am one man. This is going downhill here. What goes up must go down. So that's where we're going, down here. Look at that. Yeah. We got a bunch of hang gliders all around us up there. Big hang glider area. We're still going down. And there's one little cable holding us here. See a lot of shadows on the ground. There's a guy down there landing, getting ready to land. And a nice open flat field. We're going down. I might speed this up. So this will take us a while. We have to go through another tower there, and then another drop. So there's different sections here. So this is inside. Here I am. Made the hike. It's okay. There's some of our other people back there. And not too crowded in here. Oh, here's the other cable car coming up on the other side. So we can see the other guys. A bunch of gliders getting ready to land down there. Here's the name of it there. Edenalp. So we're going to have another drop here. It's like, almost looks like we're going vertical, going downhill here. Yo. There we go. Yeah, this is like really steep here. There's our parking lot, somewhere our buses down there, but yeah, we're almost going vertical here. So well, at least we're getting close to the ground, which is always good. To the bottom here. And trying to see any guys landing. Oh, there's a couple over there. Landing over on the other side. Landing right in the parking lot there, right next to their vehicles. Making some good landings. See another shadow of a guy over there. He's up above here. A lot of them up above there. You can see them. But, there we go. X marks the spot down there for us. There we go. Still coming down. So far, so good. And yeah, nice day. And we're almost down here. There's the cables holding us down. Imagine how they made some of these things here. There's a little creek running there, cool water. I saw a couple guys in there rinsing themselves off.
We are almost
and
yeah, I had to call you 15 minutes before.
Yeah, there's some people waiting to get on that are going to be going up.
Doing nothing?
So we're almost there. There we go.
Okay.
See if I get a wave out of here.
Okay, yeah, the bus is there. Fantastic.
No.
Thank you. Thanks, Thomas.
I get a wave there. Waving.
No, he's there.
Wave. Yes. Yes. All right. I got some waves out of it there anyhow, so. It's good.
Yeah. You say it?
We're gonna park here.
No, Roy.
This is pretty much the end of the trip.